Open a hood, all put both side left and this side left. Okay. Open a hood. Take it off. Oil cap. Dipstick coming out. Leave it there. Okay. This is done for all the drain plug 17 milli range. Okay. Plug. This is dirty oil coming out. Take it off. Filter. Oil filter. This is oil filter, and this one too, and 4612 filter number 2. Okay. Check it all the time. Filter gasket, please. Sometimes this are old gasket. You leave a filter hosing. This one filter. Yes, this 17 milli. 1 second. Put back drain bolt. Tight. Okay, 17 milli drain bolt and oil filter. That's it. Now I bring it down car, add engine oil. Done. Mobile 1 5W20 engine oil. No, YouTube.
Have one?
Yes.
You got a car instead of a truck?
I have Suburban. Chevy Suburban. Take the dipstick. I have do it only for me, nobody helping. But now check it. Oil level very good. And subscribe to my channel and like, share. 2012 Honda Civic.